plane hits the ground softly as officers move forward, with weapons raised, their lights cutting through the dark. The radio crackles with a single word, "Okay." Before anyone can react further, sharp cracks echo through the alley. "Shots fired! Shots fired!" The call repeats urgently, louder, faster. Officers immediately shift into high alert, taking cover behind vehicles. Another transmission follows. 10 minus 15. 105. The tension thickens. One officer approaches a truck that's rocking from movement inside. 10 to 15. He's still on the rope. He says, breath short. He's trying to get out. He's trying to get out. More officers rush in. Their boots splash through puddles as they close around the vehicle. Sounds of scuffling and pressure against metal grow louder. "Down! Let's go!" someone shouts as they brace themselves. The radio repeats, 10 minus 15. 10 minus 15 over and over. Urgency rising. The truck door jerks but doesn't open. 10 to 15, he's going to row. "Put it over." Another voice calls out. The door finally, but "I got the door. I got the door," an officer yells, gripping it firmly while the suspect inside thrashes violently. He's trying to get out. He's trying to get out. The struggle intensifies. Profanity and frantic noise fill in the air. On the other side of the truck, another officer approaches the back window carefully. "Hello," he calls out, voice cautious but steady. Out the window, he shifts his stance, scanning the dark interior. "You're making a lot of noise in the back. Check the window." He leans closer, adjusting his flashlight. "Okay," he mutters, taking a slow breath. "All right." Suddenly, something snaps inside the truck. A quick motion. A flash. The officer barely reacts before the unmistakable crack of gunfire explodes again. "Shots fired! Shots fired!" He stumbles back, shouting the warning louder. The radio picks it up immediately. "Shots fired! Shots fired!" Another frantic line follows. "Shots fired!" 15 more officers rush forward from down the alley. "Let me get the units here now." "Units here," someone shouts desperately. The sound of weapons being raised, boots slamming into the pavement, and radios overlapping fills the scene. "Fire!" one voice yells. Another transmission overlaps, 105 falling down on all unit. Officers continue shouting commands as they attempt to gain control. The chaotic noise of movement, gunfire echoes, and distant yelling fills the dark alley as the scene intensifies.